As we wait for the start of a match amongst the most anticipated fixtures over the course of the entire season. A day certainly not for the faint-hearted. It is yet another edition of this long-standing conflict between two sides engaged in a never-ending rivalry. One that never has and never will lose its intensity, no matter what the context, no matter how many times these two clubs meet. This place simply a monument to the game. So much prestige, so much pride, so much passion whenever football is played here. So we're up and running. So, plenty to look forward to here if previous history is anything to go by. Phillips. Pablo Hernandez. Darlington boast an almost flawless record. Just the one draw and the rest wins. Oh, he's taken out. That'll be a foul. It's not taken him long, and that's going to be a booking. That'll be a corner. William gets good distance on it. Needed a better pass there. Click. A real chance to break. Back to the keeper and go again. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. Leeds were quick to defend that. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Just brushed off the ball there. Well, they can break here. And that's clear cut. It's a free kick. Plays it out to the flank. Puts in a cross. Tries his luck. It didn't come off, but an audacious effort.
Well, it was certainly an acrobatic effort. I mean, it was probably the best option for him, but they're never easy to pull off.
Forward it goes. Phillips. Samu Castillejo. Alioski finds himself back in the starting side for the first time in a while. He gets past his man. He wasn't very far from making something happen by himself. Lovely to see. Played out to the right. He's got away. And a shot! And he's there to clear it. And the shot! And he's done it!
What a great finish, but how about the touch? It just allowed him to put the ball exactly where he wanted it, and the rest became a formality.
Darlington break the deadlock.
Still a fragile lead, though. They can't afford to sit on this.
Pablo Hernandez. Goes direct to the front line. That's put paid to a promising move. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Now it's Rodrigo. He's got it, and he's got time. Turns and goes back. And the shot! No, poor contact, nothing on the shot. He's gone for it! And there's the end of the first half. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but one that still had its moments, but ultimately produced just one goal. A more than decent game up to now.
Well, this team has found a real rhythm to their game. The players seem to have clicked well, there's good movement off the ball, the passes are sticking. No one's afraid to have a go.
Darlington leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. Well, the action has already resumed here. Darlington carrying a one-goal lead. Plenty waiting in the middle. Lovely bit of skill. Willian. Darlington are in superb form defensively. 5 consecutive clean sheets. And that's been won straight back. Now a chance to break. Click. And here's Rodrigo. It's Rodrigo! Oh, bang on target. Keeper's got good distance on that. Great run on the overlap here. He's in space and looking for options. Danger averted for now. Over to the left. So, Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, Peter, if they're attempting to see out the game with such a narrow advantage, there's room for trouble. I just think they're sending out the wrong message. This could backfire.
Alioski. And it's Willian. Floats one over. Out for a throw. Great strength, too strong for his opponent.
Leeds are actually displaying tremendous fighting spirit. There's a real belief that they can still have a say.
And it's got through. Oh, well played. He's taken that really cleanly. Dallas can hoist it clear. He's looked long this time. Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted. Vida. Darlington just have to run down the clock.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Good ball. Willian. And the ball's come out. And that is that. Darlington win it by the only goal. Result, no question, the most important thing, however it came. Final score, 1-0.